Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to array panels in your cabinet function. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, come to your customization function and go into your system cabinet. Okay, when you're in, just drag any of this universal cabinet out. Okay, so maybe I would like to resize my cabinet's height to 900. Alright, so right now I would like to add a panel inside. Okay, so just right click onto your cabinet and then click on add function part. Okay, system cabinet, panel class. Alright, and then select a neutral plate. Okay, just drag a neutral plate in. Right, if let's say I would like to have 3 neutral plates, I don't need to do it one by one. Okay, I don't need to always right click and then add function parts and drag. Okay, all I can do is that right click onto your neutral panel, neutral board, and then select evenly divided. Alright, so just key in how many panels you need. Okay, so if let's say I want 3, I key in 3 and then click on OK. Right, so it will actually place it evenly for you. Alright, so this is how you create how you array your panels in your cabinet function. Alright, good luck trying, guys.